Imagine you will never miss any email, deadline, or meeting again. Microsoft Outlook revolutionizes this aspect of life with its versatility and its power to streamline your digital life. Today, in this video, I will be giving you a full guide about this Microsoft Outlook. It's important for everyone as a businessman or whether if he is a student juggling with responsibilities. Let me start with giving an overview about Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Outlook is a personal information manager software and it was created by Microsoft. It's available as a part of Microsoft Office 365 softwares. Outlook has replaced Microsoft's previous information management clients, which are Schedule Press and Exchange clients. These systems were recognized as bearing lackage of versatility with time. Outlook also includes other functions like calendaring, task managing, contact managing, note taking, and also web browsing. Microsoft released many versions of Microsoft Outlook. Outlook 2002 had its own feature, and so Outlook 2003, Outlook 2007, 2010. Let's get started with Microsoft Outlook. First, you will have to open your Chrome browser and type outlook.com. And you will have to just enter it, and some this word type of interface will appear. You will have to sign up on it. For this, you will have to create a free account. And after clicking on it, you will have to just enter your email address here. And you can set any password you want. You can set it here. And this will redirect you to Outlook web browser app. And once it's completed, you can see that your account is opened. And we will now open Outlook app on our PC. And we will have to sign in with that account on that app. For this, open the files and click on add account. And after clicking on add account, enter your email address, name and password here. And make sure to enter it correctly. And once it's completed, it will open a dialog box in which 3 options will be confirmed. It will take a lot of time and maybe your PC gets lagged. So wait for it until it is completed. It is now completed. Now I will just click on next and my Outlook is completely logged in. You can see that I also received. Now I will show you how to send, reply and forward emails in Outlook. For sending emails, you have to just do a simple task. Just click on the new email box there and just type the email address of the person you are sending to. I am just typing a random Outlook email and just type a subject, what about your email is. And then write the subject of email. I will type hope you will be fine. And once it's completed, I will have to send it by clicking on that send button. And I'm not sending it for now, just I'm checking. So this was sending, and for forwarding any email you have received, you can do it easily by just clicking on that forward button and it will demand you permission. And just write the email address of the person you are sending and just click on send. And for replying, same procedure. Now I will tell you a little about these navigation boxes which appear in Outlook. These are mail, calendar, to-dos and contact list. First we will dive into the mailbox. And for diving into mailbox, I will show you that their inbox, sent items and deleted items. Inbox contain all the mails that you have received, unread or read, and sent items contain all the emails that you have sent, and deleted items contain that you have deleted. And in addition, you can see that there are lots of folders also available here. If I want to add something in favorite, I can just do it by right clicking and it will be added in favorites. Now if I want to remove it, I can also remove it now. And if I want to create a new folder, it will be also simply that just right click on it and click on create new folder, and I will name it as my video. And once it's completed, you can see that new folder is created. And so it was all about mail. Now I will show you about the calendars bar. And in the calendars, you can schedule any task you want to do, but it won't be done in that app. It will be done in the web browser. So I will show you how to do that. Just open the web browser and outlook.com website there, and in the calendars create on add new calendar, and you can set any birthday, holiday. You can see here there are lots of countries and birthdays also, and you can create any birthday, and sports is also given here, and you can see that there are lots of sports here. You can set any sports reminder. Now let's head on to third navigation bar, which is contacts list. In the contacts list, you can uh, navigate to any contact you have saved. I haven't saved any contact yet, but if I were to save it, I will just create a new contact and enter its information and formalities and just click on save, and it will save me. Now, if I were to call him, I can also do it by clicking on that call button, and it will do me that. Now, one last navigation box is to do box. If I want to schedule any task, I will do it in to do box. Like if I want to email my friend, I will just rewrite it and just create its date and time, and it will schedule me that to do task, and I will do it in future. So it's something very useful for someone as a businessman or as a student. Now let's talk about some advanced feature in Microsoft Outlook, in which the first is rules and alerts, which can be set by going into files and clicking on rules and alerts. Here you can set any new rule. For example, if I want to move any message to a specific folder, I will just set the formalities of that rule and alert. You can set it as you want, and once it is set, you can see that the rule will be saved here, and now I this rule will be applied in Outlook. And the next feature to look is quick steps. For example, if I want to take any quick step, it will help me to. For example, if I want to move to a folder, and I will select that folder and I will edit this quick step. And when I want to do that step, I will just click on that quick step and it will do me. For example, you can see that it has moved me the message to that folder. So these were some advanced feature, and maybe we will cover more of them in future. But for now, it's all. And if you want to learn about Microsoft OneNote full guide, just watch this video on end screen. I will meet you in another video. Till then, it's goodbye.